How to get a balanced diet. The Daily Nutrition 6 is a guide to how to get a balanced diet. It is realistic to achieve and simple to use. For convenience, it was set up using the same calorie food grouping system. The goal is to obtain the minimum number of servings for each of the 6 food groups each day. All measurements are after cooking. An easy way to remember the number of servings you need in a day is 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, small, 1 vitamin C source, 1 vitamin A. Group 1, the starch bread group, contains all your breads, grains, and cereals. The bread starch group requires 4 servings a day or more. 1 serving is equal to 1 slice of bread or a half a cup of all your starches, cereals, and grains. Cooked pasta, rice, corn, oats, barley, or other grains. This group is generally easy to do. Since a half a cup of rice is 1 serving, a whole cup of rice equals 2 servings. Anything that is made from flour would be included in this group, such as the crust on a pizza, or pretzels, which is made with flour. Rather than empty calories, it is preferred, however, to have whole grains that provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Group 2, the meat and protein alternates group. The meat and protein alternates group requires 2 servings a day, or more. 1 serving is equal to 2 to 3 ounces of cooked meat, poultry, fish, cheese, eggs, or a half a cup of peas, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter. Use more lean meats, fish, low-fat cheeses, and meatless meals using peas, beans, and lentils as a meat substitute. Use smaller portions of meats to decrease saturated fats and cholesterol. The vegetable group and the fruit group together require a total minimum of 4 servings or more a day. Preferably, consume 2 or more servings a day from the vegetable group and 2 servings or more from the fruit group. 1 serving is equal to a half a cup of any fruit, vegetable, juice, or 1 small peach, pear, tomato. It could be a half a cup of peas, beans, lentils, or a quarter cup of nuts and seeds. They are also included not only in the meat group, but the vegetable group. Obtaining the minimum number of servings is not as difficult as it may seem. If a half a cup of broccoli is 1 serving, if you eat 1 whole cup of broccoli, that would be already 2 servings. It is clearly beneficial to your health to consume more than 4 servings a day from the fruit and vegetable group. Since fruit and vegetables are low in calories, high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. And remember, the vitamins and minerals help you to burn the calories. 1 of the total 4 servings from the fruit or vegetable group needs to be a vitamin C source daily. Fruits with the highest vitamin C content are your citrus fruits and juices such as orange and grapefruits, lemon and limes. Melons such as cantaloupe, watermelon, papaya, honeydew are also high in vitamin C. Kiwis, mangoes, strawberries, and other berries are also a good source of vitamin C. Vegetables with the highest vitamin C include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, red or green peppers, tomatoes and tomato juice, winter squash, spinach, kale, mustard greens, and any other leafy greens. Sweet and white potatoes also contain vitamin C. However, I refuse to count French fries and potato chips as a vegetable. Cooking vitamin C-rich foods or storing them for a long period of time can reduce the vitamin C content. The best food sources of vitamin C are uncooked raw fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A. Due to the ability of the body to store vitamin A, it is only needed 3 times a week, although daily is recommended for other nutrients and antioxidants. A simple rule for food sources that contain vitamin A is anything orange except for an orange, and anything leafy green, and tomatoes. Therefore, sources are carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and all orange pulp squashes, such as acorn squash and spaghetti squash, cantaloupe, mangoes, and leafy greens such as spinach, broccoli, kale, mustard greens, romaine, and many more greens. The greener the leaf or deeper the orange color, the more vitamin A. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as broccoli, cantaloupe, mangoes, and sweet potatoes. Use salsa, tomato sauce, tomato juice, as well as fresh tomatoes, to add vitamin A and vitamin C and antioxidants to your diet. Try more sweet potatoes and squashes as a starch. Group 5. Milk and milk products. The milk and milk products group requires 2 servings or more a day. Children and pregnant women require 3 servings a day. Teenagers and nursing mothers require 4 servings a day. The main nutrients obtained from this group are calcium and protein. 1 serving is equal to 8 ounces of milk or yogurt, or 2 ounces of cheese. Milk may also be consumed in puddings or added to your coffee or other foods. You can also get some calcium from broccoli, leafy green vegetables, beans, nuts, and seeds. There are also many products that are fortified with extra calcium, such as orange juice, cereals, breads, and fortified soy milk or almond milk. Milk itself also contains phosphorus for bones and has added vitamin D, which is important for absorption of calcium. For this reason, it remains beneficial to consume milk, yogurt, or cheeses in your diet. Children under the age of 2 should be using whole milk unless indicated differently by their physician. Group 6. Fats. Use fats and sugars in small amounts. It is always best to use fats from plants, such as seeds, nuts, olives, avocados, coconut, and oils. Remember, fats are high in calories, so check the label and serving size. Remember nutrition basics. Within the Nutrition 6, you want to limit empty calorie foods. Empty calories means there's no nutritional value except carbohydrates and fake fats and artificial chemicals. You need the vitamins and minerals to burn the calories, or your metabolism slows down. Our bodies need protein. Proteins only stay in the body as protein for a few hours, so it's best to space protein at least 3 times a day. Proteins have calories, so we don't need a big pound steak. We need protein to make every cell in the body. We need protein to make all the thousands of hormones and enzymes and antibodies in the body. If we don't take in protein, it comes from our muscle. We don't want to lose muscle. Protein does not need insulin. When we eat carbohydrates, the body needs insulin to process. Insulin makes us a better fat storer. That's why when we eat a lot of sugar and white flour, our body needs more insulin, so we store more fat. Fat is also insulin resistant, and weight gain can cause diabetes. Sugar drinks are getting bigger and bigger. A 20-ounce bottle of soda, iced tea, or juice contains 250 calories and 17 teaspoons of sugar. By just changing to water, flavored seltzer, or unsweetened iced tea or coffee, you can lose a half a pound a week. Our body needs fiber. Fiber is found in beans, lentils, and peas, nuts and seeds, raw fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. What are whole grains? Whole grains are when you have the bran and the germ, wheat germ. The germ has B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals such as chromium, magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, and phytochemicals and antioxidants. Phytochemicals and antioxidants are found in all raw fruits and vegetables and whole grains. And the bran is fiber. Fiber helps stabilize blood sugars and binds cholesterol and cancer-causing agents. It holds water like a sponge, which moves food out of the body and prevents constipation. Whole grains have vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and fiber. When you eat white flour or white rice, it has nothing but carbohydrates and empty calories. Empty calorie junk foods not only have no nutritional value, but they are made from artificial chemicals, fake fats, and processed white flour. You want to avoid or limit bad hydrogenated fats. Hydrogenated fats are made from good plant fats, so they do not contain cholesterol. They are then taken into a laboratory and bombarded with hydrogens, which changes the chemistry to make it a solid fat. That's what a stick of margarine is, fake fat. Trans fats are hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated fats. Hydrogenated fats do not contain cholesterol, however, increase the bad LDL cholesterol in our body and decrease the good HDL cholesterol. Why do they use it? It costs less than butter and has a long shelf life, so they use it in everything. When you buy cookies, cakes, or go to the bakery, they're not using expensive butter, but one of the following hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated fake fats. That's why checking calories are simple. If a product is lower in calories, it is more likely to be lower in both saturated bad animal fat and fake hydrogenated fats. We must have some good plant fats and omega-3s from fish oils in our diet for our heart, skin, joints, and our brain health. When choosing a fat source, it's better to have good plant fats and fish oils instead of saturated animal fats in your diet. Use smaller amounts of the leaner animal products and limit or avoid high-fat meats. With fried foods, it's not just the calories that are bad for us. Fats change their chemistry at high temperatures. When you go to any fast food place or restaurant, that oil is at a high temperature. French fry after French fry, nugget after nugget, all day long, day after day. That's why fried foods are one of the worst foods we can eat. The use of artificial chemicals in our food is everywhere. We have artificial flavors, artificial colors, artificial sugars, and preservatives. That's why junk food is junk. Now, to review how to get a balanced diet. The bread starch group, 4 servings a day. The meat and protein alternates, 2 servings per day. Vegetables, 2 servings. Fruits, 2 servings. Milk and milk products, 2 servings per day for adults. Children and teenagers need 3 servings per day, and 4 servings for pregnant women or nursing mothers. Fats, small amounts. Remember, if someone does not like vegetables, they can eat more fruits. Or if they do not like fruits, they can eat more vegetables. An easy way to remember the number of servings you need in a day is 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, small, 1 vitamin C source, 1 vitamin A. Within the Daily Nutrition 6, we need the vitamins and minerals to burn the calories. We need to space protein at least 3 times a day. Avoid sugary drinks, such as sodas, iced teas. Limit juices. Add fiber from raw fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit hydrogenated fake fats. Add good plant fats and omega-3s from fish oils. Limit fried foods. Limit artificial chemicals. Remember why junk food is junk. There's nothing in it but empty calories. Go to onoffdieting.com, free video session 5, for a free printable download of the Daily Nutrition 6. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.